logical questions. Logical questions in the sense, okay, there is a concept in Python that is for every software developer or beginner who is learning Python programming language, they should have, must have hands-on knowledge on control statement. So here logical questions in the sense, sometime interviewer will test you, they will give you some task. For example, like one of the task is what? Patterns. What is the meaning of patterns? They will give you, I will explain in the upcoming session in detail what is the patterns, how can we generate the patterns, okay? Patterns using either for loop or nested for loop or while loop or nested while loop. So one of the interview question in the interview room, there might be a chances, viewers and guys, interviewer can ask you, target to you to check your logical ability and logical thinking. They will ask you one question, what? Patterns using either for loop or nested for loop or while loop or nested for loop. Which pattern? One of the common pattern is what? Pentagon, or draw the hexagon, triangle, rectangle with numbers or characters, kind of patterns interviewer will give you. We need to write the logic. How can we write the logic? I will explain you in detail practically in the next session. Now one more, as I told you, question number 8, especially if you have, if you want to land in IT company using Python, I do have dream or to become a software developer or application developer in IT companies, very big MNC. One of the very important question is data structure and algorithm. So it is I can say one of the very important question here, data structure and algorithm. First one, we should have idea on practical knowledge of stack with their implementation. Next one, queue with their implementation. Next one, single linked list with their implementation. Then double linked list with their implementation. Then circular linked list with their implementation. Then binary tree with their implementation and graphs also. So this is 7th and 8th question. So we will discuss in the upcoming videos in detail. If you have dream to work in big MNCs, interviewer in big MNCs or level 2 or level 3 or level 4 companies, they can expect from the fresher who has sound knowledge about Python programming language to check your ability, viewers and guys, okay? So they will ask you logical thinking and data structure and algorithms are here. Then next question is, what is the difference between list comprehension and dictionary comprehension here? So another expected interview question in the interview room. So before going to the what's any Python interview, or fresher or experienced, both people should have knowledge about this question. What is the difference between list comprehension and dictionary comprehension? So what is list comprehension means, if you are using, what is list comprehension here? List comprehension can be represented as, if you are using one or more than one expression with one or more than one condition inside the list, that is called list comprehension, to write the business logic as per the application development. Once again, I am telling to you what is list comprehension. Python supports list comprehension. List comprehension can be represented as, if you are using one or more than one expression with one or more than one condition to write the application business logic, then it is said to be list comprehension here.